Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI.
And I want to tell you about these heavy-duty hammock straps by Wise Owl. Although the hammock already comes with straps, I really like these heavy-duty ones because they are very durable and sturdy. But what is amazing is that the straps do not show any signs of wear and tear. It only takes me a couple minutes to have everything set up. And something that I really appreciate is that the straps have a lot of loops, so I can easily adjust the length of the strap depending on how far away the two trees I'm going to use are from each other. So if they're close, I can hook the strap through a shorter loop, or if the trees are far apart, I can use the furthest one. It's super convenient. Another great feature is that these straps are versatile, so I can use them not only with my Wise Owl hammock, but with another hammock that I have at home. I am so happy with these straps. They're very sturdy, durable, and easy to use.
And that is my point of view.